The silent threat to your strength. How to prevent muscle loss after 60 with these 7 key foods. As we grow older, we expect our bodies to change. Wrinkles appear, hair thins, and energy levels dip. However, there's a silent, often overlooked threat that many people face as they age: muscle loss. Did you know that after you turn 40, you can lose up to 8% of your muscle mass every single decade, with the rate accelerating after age 60? That's not just a number, it's your strength, balance, and independence slipping away, piece by piece, without you even realizing it. Here's the kicker. For most people over 60, there's one simple, commonly overlooked food that could be the key to stopping muscle loss in its tracks. Yes, you can protect and even rebuild muscle without stepping foot in a gym or spending a fortune on expensive supplements. All it takes is a few smart dietary choices, which we'll reveal in this video. But first, let's dive into why muscle loss isn't just about frailty. It's much more dangerous than that. The growing problem of muscle loss and sarcopenia. After the age of 60, your body starts breaking down muscle faster than it can rebuild it. This condition, known as sarcopenia, is surprisingly common, affecting up to 1 in 3 adults over 60. What's worse? Many don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. You might have already noticed subtle signs of muscle decline. That jar of pickles feels heavier than it used to. Getting out of a chair takes a little more effort. Climbing stairs leaves you more winded than before. These aren't just normal signs of aging. They are the first red flags that your muscles are weakening. And it's not just about strength. Losing muscle affects your balance, stability, and metabolism. It increases your risk of chronic diseases, fatigue, and, most alarmingly, falls. What's worse, muscle loss can even affect your immune system, making you more vulnerable to illnesses. But the good news is, muscle loss is not inevitable, and you can fight back. The secret isn't about lifting heavy weights or undergoing costly treatments. It's about nourishing your muscles with the right foods. The role of nutrition in fighting muscle loss. The truth is, nutrition plays a major role in preserving muscle strength, especially after 60. Studies from prestigious institutions like Harvard and the National Institute on Aging have shown that what you eat can dramatically affect how your muscles age. But it's not just about eating more protein, it's about eating the right types of protein and nutrients that specifically support muscle health. So, what foods should you eat to keep your muscles strong, steady, and independent, even as you age? In this video, we'll break down the 7 essential foods that can help you fight muscle loss and maintain your independence, including one surprising MVP food that most people overlook. Let's dive in. 1. Eggs. Nature's perfect protein. Let's start with one of the most nutrient-dense foods out there, eggs. Eggs are considered a complete protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. They are particularly high in leucine, an amino acid that's crucial for muscle repair and growth. Research has shown that as you age, your body needs more leucine to achieve the same muscle-building response as younger people. Why eggs matter? The amino acids in eggs, particularly leucine, help activate mTOR, a cellular pathway that triggers muscle building. This is essential for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Action tip: aim to eat 1-2 eggs daily. Include the yolk, as it contains essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline that support overall muscle health. 2. Greek yogurt. The high-protein gut booster. Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty snack, it's a protein powerhouse. It's made by straining regular yogurt to remove the liquid whey, which results in a thicker, creamier yogurt that's packed with protein. In fact, Greek yogurt contains double the protein of regular yogurt. Why Greek yogurt matters? Greek yogurt is a great source of whey protein, which is easily digested and absorbed by the body. This makes it an excellent option for seniors looking to maintain or rebuild muscle mass. Additionally, the calcium in Greek yogurt supports bone health, and the probiotics improve nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the maximum benefit from your food. 3. Salmon. The omega-3 Muscle Defender salmon is more than just a delicious fish. It's an omega-3 powerhouse. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce muscle inflammation and speed up recovery. Why salmon matters. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, can significantly improve muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s help preserve muscle mass and support muscle repair. Action tip: enjoy wild-caught salmon 2 times a week. If you're not a fan of fish, a high-quality fish oil supplement can provide the same benefits. 4. Lentils. The plant-based powerhouse lentils are often overlooked, but they are a nutrient-rich food that packs a punch. These small legumes are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and folate, making them ideal for maintaining muscle health. Why lentils matter. Lentils provide slow-digesting protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, a key factor in muscle energy metabolism. Additionally, they are rich in iron, which helps red blood cells carry oxygen to muscles, critical for maintaining endurance and strength. Action tip: incorporate lentils into soups, salads, or use them as a healthy rice alternative. 5. Cottage cheese. The overnight muscle saver cottage cheese is often a staple in many people's diets, and for good reason. It's packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that's perfect for overnight muscle repair. Why cottage cheese matters. Eating cottage cheese before bed helps preserve muscle mass while you sleep, which is when your body naturally breaks down protein. The steady release of amino acids from casein protein prevents overnight muscle loss, making it a valuable food for aging adults. Action tip: enjoy 1/2 cup of cottage cheese in the evening, perhaps with a sprinkle of flax seeds or fresh fruit for added nutrition. 6. Spinach. The unsung muscle supporter. While spinach might not seem like a muscle-building food at first glance, it's packed with nutrients that support muscle health. Magnesium, potassium, and nitrates found in spinach play a vital role in muscle function. Why spinach matters. Magnesium is crucial for the production of ATP, the energy source that fuels muscle contractions. Without enough magnesium, muscles can become weak and crampy, making it harder to maintain strength. Action tip: add spinach to omelets, smoothies, or sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a delicious, muscle-supporting side dish. 7. Bone broth. The surprising MVP bone broth is a surprising but incredibly effective food for preserving muscle mass. Made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline, which are essential for muscle repair and joint health. Why bone broth matters. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, a protein vital for muscle elasticity and recovery. Bone broth helps restore collagen levels naturally, supporting muscle strength and joint mobility. Action tip: sip warm bone broth between meals or use it as a base for soups. For the most nutrients, look for slow-simmered or homemade versions. By incorporating these 7 muscle-saving foods into your diet, you can slow down or even reverse muscle loss, ensuring that you remain strong, steady, and independent as you age. These foods are not only affordable but easy to add to your daily routine. Whether it's eggs for breakfast, a bowl of Greek yogurt as a snack, or a comforting cup of bone broth before bed, each small change can make a big difference in your long-term health. Muscle loss doesn't have to be your fate. By nourishing your body with the right foods, you can preserve your strength, maintain your independence, and live a vibrant, active life for years to come. Start by making small changes, perhaps adding an egg to your breakfast or swapping sugary snacks for Greek yogurt, and watch as your muscles start to thrive again. Your future self, the one who can carry groceries, play with grandchildren, and maintain an active lifestyle, will thank you. Remember, every bite you take is either helping your muscles rebuild or allowing them to fade away. So start today, and protect your strength for tomorrow. Did you learn something new today?